Okay, the next one, which is USD CHF. Okay, this has already happened. This is one of the move I was hoping to give out today. Has already happened, and this is also very clean to see. If you look at, if you kept your eyes on everything we discussed the last time, this is really this is very simple to spot. So price was respecting this high, came back to retest it. We have a retest to this low here. So price simply came all the way up here, and it's been playing around those key levels. The last session price was around this very spot. Price was right here, and then we called this short to this low for about 60 to 70 pips. And price tested this low, rejected, went all the way to the top, and it's been playing around those two key places ever since. We have 50 pips here, 50 pips down, 60 pips around here, and then price short one more time. Looking at this short here, we have very good double top. This double top to a key level I've explained. So definitely price was setting up for some short, and this short has just happened. So right now price is testing one of the levels we should keep our eyes on, this low right here. So we are going to watch out and see what is going to happen from this very low. Likewise, the ultimate low, which is somewhere around here. We have the ultimate low down here. So these two places, we are going to keep our eyes on them, and we want to see what price is going to do. So this very candlestick just happened in the last 30 minutes. This is the H1 chart, so this is just the last 30 minutes. So we are going to see what price is going to do. If price breaks this, we are going to keep our eyes open to this very ultimate level, which is down here. So whatever price is going to do down here is going to determine the longevity of this trend. So this ultimately remains a bullish trend, like I've just shown here. This is a bullish trend, and this is the key level right here. So let's see how price is going to react to these two levels, and then we can use that to define the trade in this market. So that is USD CHF. Right now we just need to wait. This is a very strong bearish candlestick. We need to wait and see how price settles in, and then give us confirmation for the next move at any of those two places. So patience is all it takes. This was a very good move. Was hoping to call out this for you all, but this played out really fast. The tech service, the private service going on from next week, is going to be covering a lot of these kind of sessions. Also, we'll be having a private Telegram where we can also keep up with whatever price is doing at every point in time. Likewise, I'll be giving support, one-on-one support, and trading help to whoever needs it. So there'll be trading analysis, there'll be setups and opportunities at every point in time, and also there'll be some education as well. Everything I've just done here is really a lot of education for those who have the open mind to grab them, right? So this will be going live. We are taking entries for now, and I believe by next week, market open, we should be good to go live on this. So for those who may be interested in this kind of service, you can just hit me up on Telegram at BB4Rex, and then we can set you up with this service. So that'll be all for now, and we'll be back again another time. Peace.